Commerce, and in this tutorial I'm actually going to show you how to add a table of contents to your website. So I am running a local version of WordPress, as you can see here, and so go ahead and log into your admin uh, area, and then once you get there, go ahead and go to plugins, and then once you get the plugins you can click add new, and then let's see here, we'll just X out of a few of these things so that you can actually see my screen. And we'll call this table of contents. And I believe the plugin that we're actually looking for is called like Easy Table of Contents. There it is. We'll go ahead and click install. And as it's installing, this plugin is actually pretty easy to use. It will allow you to insert table of contents for pages as well as posts. So we'll go ahead and click activate. It can do this by automatically once you set it in the settings, or you can do it on a per post per page setting. So let's go ahead and go into settings, and we will see here, go down, and so I'm going to walk you through just quickly which settings you'll need to check and uncheck. So I basically don't want this on pages. I actually want this on, my post, and then any other types that you have are going to be listed there. I'm just going to select pages for now, and then this is the setting that I was talking about, that you can actually have a table of contents automatically inserted. And so you can either select in posts or pages for that insert, or any other of the custom types. You can also say where to show this, so it can go before the first heading, after the first heading, top or bottom. I typically just leave it as default. And then it says show show when 4 or more headings are present. I basically say show when 2 or more are present. And then on this one, let's see here, I basically left that there. You can put in whatever you want here. This can be the title, table of contents, or jump to is a lot of times what you'll see. And then outside of that, that is it. We'll set this to be 100% edition. You can, do all the title font sizes, and then title font weights. And then outside of that, just make sure that all the headings are checked. You can also exclude certain types there if you need to. Click save, and we'll show you here. Once this saves, we'll go and create a new post, and then we'll show you how this thing works. So let's go ahead and create a new post. And then this post, we'll call it table of contents test. And then in here we will say heading 1, another heading, heading 2, another heading, heading 3, another heading, additional heading. And just want to be able to show you here. So we'll select heading 1, select, and we'll select heading 2, select, and we'll select basically a heading 1 for these others. This will be a heading 2, this is heading number 3, which is going to be a 1. And then we'll say this is heading 2, and then we'll make this last one, a heading 3. We will publish, and then once we publish, I will open up a new tab. But before we go to that tab, I want to show you down here in the bottom. Here's where it has the table of contents area that you're going to click insert table of contents, select which headings you would like, and you can have alternate headings in there as well, and it provides you, different examples. You can exclude headings. Once that's selected, go ahead and click Update. And then we'll head over and take a look at the page, refresh it. And hopefully we have a table of contents heading above this first header. And we do. And so now you can see that you have a toggle table of contents, and if you click it, it will take you to these different sections that are here. You can see how they're indented. And so I hope this tutorial helps you if you're in need of table of contents, or if you have, really, I look at it and say, if you have content that goes beyond 1,000 words, you likely need a table of contents. So I hope that the easy table of contents plugin is quite helpful to you. And so last but not least, if you have questions or comments, please leave them below the video. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I release a tutorial video every Wednesday afternoon. And so last but not least, please visit Kickstart Commerce. And over here in the right hand side, go ahead and sign up for our newsletter, where we share tips and tricks about search marketing, WordPress, as well as digital strategies to help grow your business. So that's it. Thanks. That's all for now.